A judge in New York Supreme Court decided to continue a temporary restraining order that would prevent the Department of Education from making budget cuts to New York public schools, with a final decision expected tomorrow. News 12's Samantha Cheney was at Foley Square, where teachers and parents rallied to demand the restoration of funding.
While some parents and teachers stood inside the courtroom to prevent school budget cuts, these ones demanded change right outside. Today's rally comes after a group of parents and teachers filed a lawsuit against the Department of Education over budget cuts approved by Mayor Eric Adams, which they say violated state law by passing before allowing the city's education oversight panel to vote. According to the city's comptroller, the proposed budget net reduction is more than $370 million, an amount that leaves some teachers worried about the future.
A lot of my colleagues, a lot of great teachers, don't know if they have a job going back into the school year. A lot of students don't know what their class will be because the administrators are still having to wait to find out what budgets will be.
The judge says he plans to allow the city council to re-vote on the education budget and is expected to announce his final decision tomorrow. In response, the president of the United Federation of Teachers said, quote, "Supreme Court Justice Lyle Frank is siding with parents and educators by calling for a do-over vote on the city Department of Education budget. It's time for Mayor Adams to use the federal education dollars New York City is sitting on to restore the full funding to our schools." Despite the decision expected tomorrow, some organizers of today's rally say the battle to get public schools what they deserve is far from over. After today's rally, organizers are urging parents, teachers, and community members to continue following up with elected officials like Mayor Eric Adams to demand the restoration of $469 million to public schools. At Foley Square, Samantha Cheney, News 12.